What's it? Hey!
Hey! Yes, hi. I have Clank.
Huh? Oh, pal. I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I'm beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I know you wouldn't hurt Clank. I'm pretty sure you're me after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
Yeah, I got nothing. No, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
Do you want to,
Thank you.
Dr. Nefarious. Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
how many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest. What are you doing?